In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Richpanel with WhatsApp. This process might seem a bit technical, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step with clarity and precision. By the end of this video, you'll have a seamless integration between Richpanel and WhatsApp, allowing you to optimize your business communication. First, let's get started by securing access to the WhatsApp Business API. This is an essential step, as the integration relies on having a business account with access to either the Business API or the Cloud API through Meta, previously known as Facebook. If you don't have access yet, you'll need to initiate this process. Head over to Facebook Business, navigate to the WhatsApp section, and begin setting up your phone number. Don't forget to complete the business verification, because this ensures your account is properly authenticated and set for integration. Once your WhatsApp API access is in place, the next step is to make your way over to the Richpanel dashboard. Here, you'll be looking specifically for the Channels or Integrations section. This is where all communication platforms available for integration with Richpanel are listed. Once you've ensured your WhatsApp API is ready to go, you're going to find either the Settings tab labeled Channels or go through Integrations and then to Channels. Here, you should spot an option specifically for WhatsApp. With WhatsApp selected, look for the button that allows you to add or connect your WhatsApp Business API. Clicking on this will open up a form where you'll be required to submit some necessary details. For most integrations, this includes information such as your phone number and API credentials. These credentials typically incorporate your access token and your phone number ID, critical pieces of information that connect your business's WhatsApp account to Richpanel. It's important to carefully fill out these fields with accurate information to avoid any connection issues. Beyond just the basic API credentials, there may also be documentation requirements for verification purposes. Richpanel might want assurances about your business, so be prepared to submit any relevant business details they may request. This verification step is vital to successfully approve the WhatsApp integration. Integrating Richpanel with WhatsApp might call for a little patience, especially if you're waiting on approvals during the verification stages. However, once approved and integrated, you'll find that managing customer interactions becomes much more streamlined and efficient. The Richpanel dashboard will provide a centralized place for handling queries, boosting productivity, and improving customer service experiences. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your integration.